Good morning, guys. Now 5 a.m. I record this video and I just woke up. This is so early and I don't know what to say. So at first, now I'm in the bedroom and I'm going to brush my teeth. So yeah, let's go. Okay, after I brush my teeth and everyone wondering what is it? It's a mark for acne. I marked it last night and I'm gonna wash it out. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my face. I will use this. It's a cleansing. I'm gonna wash my face. This is gonna help your skin is better because it's an oil. Guys, finished my routine bathroom and okay, next is I'm gonna show you my dressing table and all about my English books, my favorite books. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is my dressing table. This is a sunscreen. This is a lotion, my comb. This is my favorite item. Is a coconut oil. It's really good for your skin, for your hair, for your health. This is a sunscreen. This is a powder. This is a oil. So the next is I'm gonna show you about my books. This is my favorite books, Harvard University, and this is the way I practice my English and how I remember the words of English. I always write it on the post-it and like stick it this way. Yeah, this is really good books. And not enough. This is my old books that I keep it from Mathayom. This is really good. It's about grammar. This book is really hard. If you can't do it at all, I'm really good at it. So, and the next, there's nothing much. It's just read a book and like do my homework and review understanding what I learned in the yesterday. Just does it, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope my grades is gonna be good. Thank you.